So our hoist has arrived, and we haven't finished the Subaru yet. It has no front wheels on it, so we need to move it. So we are making a plan. Okay guys, got the clutch. Boys, literally went in, they had it, I bought it. So really stoked. Gonna go back to the garage now, put the clutch in and get the gearbox back in so that we can frickin' drive that Subi. Yeah, we need to get this done. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So we're busy putting in 4 liters of the gearbox fluid, and we are using liquid moly because we only use the best. Okay, so Subi update. We put a new clutch in the Subi, didn't do anything. So we took the clutch master cylinders and cylinder out, took it in to get serviced, so they redid all the seals in these 2 buggers. We're going to chuck this back in the car and let's see if we get a clutch. Okay Joe, so there's the puppy there, you can see it there. So we're going to keep this topped up, let it flow out of there. Close that, close this, and then Bob's your uncle. Okay guys, so we're sending the Subi off to Titan Auto Care. Yeah, shout Robbie for taking the car, and yeah, let's see if they can sort it out, which I'm sure they can. But yeah, taking the gearbox out for a 3rd time is not something I want to do. I'm over it, I'm done. So yeah, let's see what Titan Auto Care can do. I hope you can help me out here, Robbie. Shot, bruv. And also shout Mel's Towing for always helping me out and helping me with getting my shit boxes around. So yeah, shot as well.